Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors. Doing what needs to be done. A friend of mine is celebrating his birthday today in London, so I am on my way to go and see them. Let's get into the outfit quickly. It is so hot today. I don't even know why I'm wearing a denim shirt. I'm wearing this denim shirt from Weekday. This khaki cargo pants is from Bershka. I am going to wear this. I've not worn this in a while. These Chelsea boots, really nice. I got this from TK Maxx a few years ago. I don't know the name of the brand. These 3 bracelets, these rings, my wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger, and these sunglasses. I've worn this already. This, I'm not gonna lie, the vanilla notes on them is so good. This fragrance that I have in this atomizer, I don't want to wear a winter fragrance. This bag from Weekday. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.